Assalamualaikum, my name is Farah Diyana Binti Mohamad Fadzir. I am from CS650 For my final year project title is Smart Garage Door. My supervisor name is Dr. Muhammad Imran bin Muhammad Arif. Introduction. A smart garage door functions similarly to a conventional garage door, but it can also access to a network. This enables the garage door to be controlled and monitored remotely using a smartphone application. The user of a smart garage door may be granted of a high degree of security. Electric gates are an easy way to ensure the security of private premise. This is stated by Rose 2018. The advancement of technology has increased the safety and security of the people physically and emotionally. So for this project is more focused on mobile application and IoT technology. The main aim of this project is to create a control tools that use an Android smartphone and IoT technology as an input to open and close the garage door. This is the hardware that used for my project. First is ESP32. The number 2 is LED. Then is RC522 RFID. And lastly is servo. Next, the software that been used in this project are Blink and Arduino. This is my current progression. This is my coding for my project. I use Arduino. For my project, I use servo, which is 180 degree. So when the door is open, I set it to 90 degree. When the door is closed, I set it to 0 degree. Next is for the UID tag. This is the number for my tag. If the tag is same with this number, it will display the authorized access and the door is open. And if the tag is not same as this number, it will display access denied and the door is closed. And the servo will return to 0. For the door is open, the servo is 90 degree. When the door is open, the LED, which is green color, will on, and when the door is closed, the LED red will on. I think that's all for my coding. After we upload, we can use our card reader to the RFID. If the UID tag is not same as the code in the coding, it will access denied and the door is closed. And when we use another card, it will authorize access and the door is open. If we use another card, the door is also closed and cannot detect.